Hello, welcome to the MS Excel Essentials training session. Today, we are starting with the first topic, Excel Introduction. MS Excel is part of the MS Office application. It is also called as spreadsheet package. Excel has got the following features: formulas and functions, data management like sorting, filtering, remove duplicate, chart option used to present the data in visual format, pivot table used to create the summary report. Excel will come in two different formats. Direct installation. We can buy the MS Office software from the local system, from the Microsoft, and we can install one time directly in our laptops. Or we can go for the subscription model, which is Office 365. In corporate, people are using Office 365 subscription model. Next, we will study about the Excel file. Excel file is called as book or workbook, which will have the extension .xlsx. Workbook contains spreadsheet or the worksheet. Now, we will open the new Excel file. Shortcut key will be Control N. So Control N will be used to create the new Excel file. So now, new Excel file contains the tabs. You can see different types of tabs over here. And also, each tab contains the essential options. Next, each Excel file comes to you with a single Excel sheet, but we can add more sheets into our Excel file. Each spreadsheet is made up of rows and columns. Horizontal lines are called as rows, vertical lines are called as columns. Each block is called as a cell, and the border lines are called as gray color lines are called as grid lines. Now, let me show you how to enter the data into the Excel file. So first, let me give the heading like employee data. Then each column will have the individual column heading. So now let me just add few data here, and I'll just show you. So you can type some random amounts here. So the main heading should cover all the columns. So you have to use the option merge and center, apply bold style, font size should be 40. Then we have the column heading. Column heading should be bold and it should be 12 point and it should be a center alignment. And ultimately you apply the border. Select the complete data, apply the border. By default, integer value, number value, and the date will take the right alignment, and text values will take the left alignment. And then you can save this file with the proper name. You just go to File, Save As, and the file should be stored in a proper location. So that is very important. So you can just see over here, I'm just creating a folder on my desktop. So like Excel training. So, and I'm storing the inside the folder, I'm storing the file like Excel basics with proper name. You have to save the file. So we are completing this particular topic. Thank you.